Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Okay, today we're going to write a little program that counts the number of words in a text file. So I already have a text file on my desktop, so what I've got to do now is create a path to my desktop. So that's going to be C users desktop. Okay, that's the path to my desktop. Your desktop path is going to be different from that, so you'll have to find out what your own unique desktop path is. I'm going to do CHDIR, which is change directory, and we're going to change into this path here because that's where the file is located. Now we're going to create a subroutine and we're going to call it count words. So anybody who looks at that can see that it's very clear. It means count words. Okay, so I'm going to open the file first of all, so we'll do that. Use a file handler. I'm going to call it FH for short, file handler. You can call it whatever you want, but this is a pretty descriptive term there, so that should be okay. Anybody who's looking at the code will know what that's all about. I'm going to feed in the name of the file, which is b.txt, and I'm going to finish off with an error handler just in case something goes wrong, and a generic message, error reading, like that. Simple generic message there. Okay, now I'm going to create a scalar variable called word count. Okay, that's my scalar. Spell wrong. Word count, and I'm going to assign that to scalar to get the size, and then we're going to split it into words, and then we're going to use a regex or a regex, whatever you want to say, pattern here to split into words, and then we're going to join it, and then we're going to use the scalar file handler here. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to print out how many words are in that file. Basically words and scalar word count, and a new line there, and then finally we'll just close the file once we've finished working with it. Okay, now all we have to do is call the program, which is going to be count words. And let's just save that there like that, and let's just run it. Okay, so it's told me there are 6 words in that file. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that. Remember, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button before you leave, and I will catch you in another video. Bye-bye.